Please stand by for a message on KEC 56. An important emergency action notification follows.
This is an urgent emergency action notification. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a national emergency action notification as requested by the White House. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification.
Please stand by for a pre-recorded audio message that the presidential representative has transmitted.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Weather Service, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is an emergency action notification, number 3, red card, at 4:31 p.m. Central Standard Time. There were reports of the Valentine's virus, also known the lovebirds, have now reached at its maximum level. These lovebirds are now taking over the rest of the continents of North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, and Australia. There were also been many reports of these cupids were being evil across every country of the planet. There's no explanation to remain calm. Go to panic mode. If you want all residents in the United States and the rest of the world, I will now give these instructions for the final time. Gather your family members, engage any activity that comforts you, and grab objects while you can and await our final moments on this falling planet. Before I sign off for the final time to be with my loved ones, I have chosen the religious scripture from the Bible, and it will be read on the final broadcast. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 18 through 19. Forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. We will sign the station off with one last playing of the national anthem, aka the Star-Spangled Banner. Remember, this may be the end of the world, but we will rise as of one nation under God. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of America. This is Nora Thunderman on behalf of the T-Force speaking to the United States, signing off for the final time. Goodbye, and may God bless you all.
That was a pre-recorded message from the presidential representative. We will now return to the emergency alert system.
This concludes all activations of the emergency alert system. We will sign the station off with one last playing of the national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude this final activation of the emergency alert system.